So YouTube has just added a new setting, and honestly, it's the one I've been waiting on for a while. You can now set your shorts feed limit to 0 minutes, which basically removes shorts from your homepage completely. So if you're somebody who gets sucked into scrolling shorts and you just want rid of them, this is how to do it. So up until now, YouTube had a shorts timer that let you set a limit on how long you could scroll. The lowest you could go was 15 minutes, which is fine, but 15 minutes is still a good chunk of time. And the shorts shelf was still sitting there on your homepage every time you opened the app. So it didn't really solve the problem for people who just wanted them gone altogether. Okay, so here's how to set it up. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture, that's the circle up in the top right, then tap settings. And once you're in settings, you want to scroll down and look for one called time watched. Give that a tap. So now you're in the time watched section. You'll see a few different options in here, but the one you're looking for is called shorts feed limit. That's the one YouTube has just updated. Give that a tap and it'll open up the list of time options. And this is the good bit. You'll see all the options listed out: 0 minutes, 15 minutes, 30, 45, 1 hour, 2 hours, and off. Just select 0 minutes. That's you done. The shorts shelf will disappear from your homepage. You can still watch individual shorts if you want to, but they won't be sitting there staring at you every time you open the app. Now, worth knowing, if you do try to scroll shorts after setting this, YouTube will show you a notice saying you've reached your limit for the day. So it's not blocking them completely. It's just taking them off your homepage and putting the choice back with you. If that was helpful, give the video a thumbs up.